homies, this is Colicos. Welcome to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. You know what, guys? Let me tell you something. I still get a bit nervous around the cameras, but we're gonna go there. And for the past few days, I've been trying, guys, to exercise and making my body look nice, like people call it the summer body. Did it work? Not yet, but don't worry, I'll keep on pushing, and hopefully, within the few weeks, all will be set. So let me not waste any of your time today and dive into today's topic. Today we're gonna talk about people who have promised other people that they wanna marry them, but then they waited and waited and waited and nothing happened, and now they decided to text and say, you know what, guys, now I'm fed up, I'm tired of waiting. Let's go on to the first text and see what they have to say for themselves. So text number 1 is from a girl. Most of my texts come from girls, guys. So I'm gonna read 5 of the text messages as per usual. The first text goes like, you promised to marry me, but people change and so have I. I've realized that I deserve so much better than someone who would cheat on me and break my heart. You promised me the world, but you couldn't even keep your promises. I'm moving on and I hope you do the same. Find someone who loves you for who you are, because it's not going to be me. I'm done with the drama, the stress, and the pain. Goodbye. So, girl has got so many problems here with guy. So, number 1, the guy promised to marry her and he did not. Number 2, you guy uchita like kanje, which is so difficult for a girl. Okay, you promised to marry me, but you're still cheating on me. Okay, maybe it would have been better if only you kept that promise. Mara na ungifaka ku drama, so I'm tired of it drama ke mna ndiyahamba. And the girl ugqibela ngokuthi apha goodbye. Let's go on to the second one. Uti lana, this one is so long, guys. Uti, I've held on to that promise for so long. I've stood by you, supported you, and loved you with every fiber of my being. But I've finally realized that your promises were empty, hollow, and meaningless. You are a master of words. Spinning a web of deceit and lies. That's some crime kind of thing here going on. You've broken my heart, shattered my trust, and left me a shadow of my former self. This is deep. Ati, and for what? So you could be with someone else. Someone who doesn't even come close to the love and devotion I've given you. I'm done. I'm done being your pawn, your confidant, and your partner. I'm taking back my life, my heart, and my self-respect. Don't contact me, don't reach out, and don't even think about me. The last part, you are dead to me. Okay, uthi wena ngikuhloniphile wena ngokuthandile ngokuthande too much. Wena wangithembisa izulu nomhlaba. Okay, awusangiphi imhlaba ke mawungasangiphi izulu. Guys, kunzima guys, kunzima. I'm gonna go on to the third one. Uthi, you promised to marry me and I believed you. I thought we had something real, something special, but I guess I was just a fool. You are a coward for cheating on me, and you are a coward for trying to use our promises as a way to keep me trapped in this relationship. What? Uthi, well, it won't work. I'm done with the lies and I'm done with the heartache. Find someone else to manipulate because I'm out. Uyabona ke lo akachiti akayenzi next just uthi ngizokuthembisa ukukushada for ukuthi you must be trapped in this relationship. Uhlale with that hope yokuthi yo ialilili iyeza and ialilili doesn't even come. It's a trap actually. But ukela wayibona lento wathi angeke ngibe uPopeye mina. Hamba uyothola umunye uPopeye. What? Hi guys, nidlala kabi yazi. Nidlala kabi. Why would you do that? Do you promise someone because you know or you can see ukuthi bayawuthanda umshado and they're like, "Hayi lo, ngizombamba ngento ayithandayo. Ngizoloko ngimtshela lento afuna ukuyizwa, ngimtshela lento afuna ukuyizwa, kanti ngiyadlala." Hi. Can I go on to my fourth one? Uthi, girl, I cannot believe you are using our promises against me. You promised to marry me? Yes. But that was before I found out about your infidelity. Nankomnye. Uthi, you promised to love me, to cherish me, and to be faithful to me. But you broke those promises. Not me. I'm not going to stay in a relationship with someone who doesn't respect me or our commitment. Huh? Uthi, you need to get your priorities straight and figure out what you really want. But it won't be me. Yo, labo uyabona guys, this was a committed relationship. Vele nje from the word go, ugirl bekazitshelile ukuthi la ngiyahlala, la ngiyabambezela, la ngiyabambelela. Mara manje because ngimbhacile ukuthi no, he's doing things behind my back and I'm saying ndiyahamba. Uthi no, remember I promised ukuthi mina ngizokushada. Why are you holding that against me? Akusho mina, akusho ugirl. Yo, hayi kunzima guys. Niyabona ukuthi why I'm always shocked. Like all these texts, they shock me. They shock me. Yo. Let's go on to the fifth one, which is the last one of the day. Uthi, Ugal, you think that just because I said I would marry you, that gives you the right to take me for granted, to cheat on me and treat me like I'm nothing. I've been blind to the signs, but I'm not blind anymore. I see you for who you are, a selfish, manipulative person who doesn't care about anyone but themselves. Uthi wena uselfish, wena uthengisa amafish, wena puti ngiright ngiyakubonga and wena ngiphatha kabi. Uthi you promised to marry me, but I wouldn't marry you now if you were the last person on earth. Leave me alone and let me move on. Uthi wena noma bangathi yimu Adam mina ngo Eva, I won't go for you. I will not even go for you because ndi-heartful uwe, ngi-enough uwe, ngi-right uwe, ungithembisa amanga wena mawuqeda lapho wayenza ini? The total opposite. Wow, guys, do you think it's okay to promise someone ukuthi ufuna ukubashada just because it's what they want to hear? Tell me what you think, but this is it for today and bye.